Some instructions regarding SimNet that we will be using as a platform to complete our Microsoft Office practical sessions. As you know, to log in to SimNet, you use the URL bronxcc.simnetonline.com. You will be taken to this screen, and then you enter your username and password if you're already registered. If you're not registered, you can click here to register, and it'll be asking you for your details. I would suggest that you use the Bronx CC student email and create your account. And while you are creating, in the next step, it asks you to select a class. Please make sure you select whichever class you are in. For example, if you are in data 10 901D, or you could be on data 10 902D classes. Okay, either of one of my classes you will be there. So please select the correct class when you are registering on SimNet. Okay, after registering, just make sure that you are in the correct class here. If you see a different class here, you will have to go to the right corner and select another class, which is data 10 fall 2023. Make sure you are in the correct class, because if you are not in the correct class, you will not see the correct assignments. So if you are on 901 data 10D class section, click on that and it will show you the assignments for that particular class. Okay, if you are on the 902D class, select the data 10 902D class, the second section, which is here. You will see the assignments for that class. Okay, each due date is given to you here. Make sure that you complete the chapters by the given due date. Each week we see one chapter in Excel, and because this is an asynchronous class, you are to complete the work by yourself with the aid of the lessons and the videos that I have created for you on Blackboard. To get the link to the videos, click on the SimNet online coursework link, and then you will find the link to that right here. Okay, I will also be attaching it in an email to you, so you can click on this and you will find a whole playlist of all videos. Okay, now to click on the lesson, click on this here, and then you will see all the tasks you need to complete. In order to complete the first exercise, you should have gone through all these, because it makes it easier for you to do this. Okay, many students try to complete the pause and practice exercise directly, and they get stuck with certain steps. For example, when you click on this, you have to download a file. Okay, normally all first exercises give you a file to download, and the second exercise is actually the completed file of the first exercise you use to do the second exercise. So you will have to do first exercise in order to complete the second one, and the completed exercise of the second exercise is the file that you need for the third exercise, and then the completed one in the third exercise you will need to complete it in the fourth exercise. Okay, so I would always suggest that you read through these chapters. This is an ebook, so you can read through all this before you complete your pause and practice exercise. Okay, in my experience, I've seen students try to complete the exercise and they get stuck. They're not able to do because they have not gone through how to edit or save files. Okay, if you know, that's fine, but if you do not know, make sure you go through the readings before you complete your pause and practice exercises. Okay, there are 4 exercises here. You have to download your file from here and then do the work. Okay, you cannot borrow anybody else's file, or you cannot submit someone else's file, because if you do that, it shows me an integrity violation. SimNet catches any integrity violations or wrong submissions, or if you submit another student's file, it catches it, and both the students, it tells me both the MPIDs, because you register with the MPID. Both the students will get a 0 for the SimNet assignments. Okay, so try not to submit someone else's assignment or what somebody else has done. You have to do your work from all the chapters. Okay, so Chapter 1 will have 4 pause and practice exercises that you will have to complete and submit them here in the SimNet coursework submissions in your Blackboard. And if you click here, there is a drop box for each of the exercises. You will be allowed to submit only one file, so make sure you submit the correct file. Okay. XLPP stands for pause and practice 1-1, which is actually this exercise. After completing, you submit them here. It is an attachment. You can submit it like an attachment. When you click on this, you go to upload file, click on upload file and select your file from a computer and submit it. Okay, one more important announcement is that if you do not have Microsoft Office, all students of Bronx Community College get a free Microsoft Office 365 download. I've given you the link right here at the bottom. You can click on that and follow the instructions. If you have any issues, please contact the Technology Service Center that is available for students. Okay, I cannot help you in installing Microsoft Office because they help you. There is a phone number given to you there. You can either call them, they help you remotely, or you can go in person. It's in Roscoe Brown Hall and they'll be able to help you out. Okay, right, because not having Microsoft Office or not having Word or Excel is not an excuse for not doing your exercises. And one more thing is that you could also use the computer labs at Bronx Community College, and you could complete all the work that you need. All right, everybody. So please follow the instructions on each week. Here the week instructions are given to you here. Please follow the tasks. Each task needs to be completed by the end of that week. Okay. For example, we are on week 2 now. So the coursework is you need to complete Excel chapter 1, all the 4 pause and practices, and then you need to complete your graded discussion, which is here. In order to complete this graded discussion, you will have to go through your Computer Essentials book. Okay. So in order to access your textbooks, click on SimNet, click on Library, and you will see we'll be using Computer Essentials 2021 book and Microsoft Office 365 for your practice, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Okay. And if you have got your code, some of you may have got your code. Where to enter the code? You can click on your name and click on products and enter your code right here, and then add code. It gives you the full version of your textbook. Okay, everybody. So good luck, everyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Once again, welcome to Fall 2023 Data 10 Asynchronous session. Good luck, everyone.